Amazing regular season and look forward to seeing you for the Stanley Cup playoffs. For game information, stay in touch with stlouisblues.com. Once again, Tom Calhoun speaking for the St. Louis Blues and Enterprise Center, saying good evening, please drive home safely, and